Losing your hair, it's devastating. And understanding the underlying factors associated with hair loss and treatment options are important to feel good about yourself again. Dr. Harolyn Gills, she is a medical director at VeinMed Solutions. She's been practicing medical aesthetics and regenerative medicine for over 30 years here in the Valley. Good to have you here.
Thank you.
We were talking about hair loss, men and women. It's devastating. I have seen it firsthand. It can change your entire life. What causes hair loss?
Certainly your self-confidence, and many women who are 40% of our hair loss patients have thought for so long that all they have as a recourse is wigs and weaves and all kinds of extraneous hair that they have to buy. But you know what? Women have a solution as well. We have a hair loss program at our office, which includes taking care of hormones internally and anemia, vitamin and mineral deficiencies. We do a complete hormonal analysis for menopause and andropause for men. We know that hair loss can happen at any age. It can be due to a variety of factors, such as what I just mentioned. Also inflammation, autoimmune diseases, thyroid disease. Once we get to the bottom of it, get to the cause, then we can customize a tailor-made solution.
Right, and you guys really do a full workup on each particular client who comes in, and you utilize state-of-the-art treatments to get their hair back, and it's a full restoration process. Talk about some of those treatments.
Oh, well, I like to call it PPP. We start out with PRP, platelet-rich plasma injections of your own blood into your scalp to nourish the follicles and to help to actually restore dead follicles. We then do a peptide therapy. Peptides are sort of like hormones. They stimulate hair growth, these particular peptides that are human peptides, and then we inject. And then we also have a variety of pills, I call it, which are natural supplements, medically grade supplements, and some prescriptions.
And you also do a very cool treatment called NeoGraft. We're going to look at an animation. Describe what we're seeing and what type of treatment is this?
NeoGraft is the hottest, newest, most revolutionary, least invasive hair transplant system around. We are one of the few offices in the Valley that even offer NeoGraft. NeoGraft is different from what we know of as FUT, follicular unit transplants. We use follicular unit extracts, and we use a machine that actually very gently and very individually vacuum extracts single follicle units. And then these follicle units, by virtue of a vacuum extraction, are not cut, they are not damaged. We replace them, then transplant them into the area we want. So it's more natural.
We're going to look at some before and afters very quickly. What kind of recovery time and how many treatments are necessary?
What's beautiful about NeoGraft is usually one treatment and done. At various stages of hair growth, you can see more and more hair. By 6 months, you begin to see a real retained hair growth. And by about a year, 9 months to a year, you have a full head of hair.
Wow, and that is, I mean, that's pretty dramatic. A year later, this picture right here is a year later.
Exactly.
So we were looking at the journey.
Very natural.
And one treatment.
One treatment, that's the beauty. It's less expensive because it's shorter time, you use less personnel, and the equipment is all in one.
All in one.
You take the pieces out, the hair follicles out, and you replace them with the same equipment, so it's uniform and natural.
All right, let's get you a special offer. Get a free consultation today and a $500 discount on PRP or NeoGraft treatments. VeinMed Solutions has 2 Valley locations for your convenience. Call 602-626-7049 or visit veinmedsolutions.com.